स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे फिर से एक न्यू वीडियो में, जहां हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं भारत की राजनीति की कुछ हालचाल लेटेस्ट न्यूज। तो वीडियो बहुत ही शानदार होने वाली है, तो प्लीज वीडियो को शुरू से अंत तक देखें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
आप ये सब देख सकते हैं कि जो हमने टेक्नोलॉजी का एक्सप्लॉयटेशन करके कमांड बंकर और सर्वेलेंस सेंटर बनाया है, वीडियो आपके सामने चल रही है कि जो उनकी पोस्टें हमने बर्बाद करी हैं उसकी कोई काउंटिंग करना मुश्किल है हमारे लिए। When we were carrying out the selection of the targets which we had to destroy, so it was a very well thought of plan, and we wanted to engage only those posts of the enemy which are being utilized, which are being used by the enemy for the militants to as launch pads for the infiltration, and we were able to successfully destroy all those posts which were being used as the launch pads by the militants. So there is no doubt, and in the future also the message is same. If any terror attempt is there by the enemy or any militant activity happens in our AOR, he will be given a befitting reply, no doubt about it.
अरे करिए ना आप
कैमरा भी इसमें है ना? कितने बजे यार वो तो आपको 11:30 के करीब है।
सर प्लीज बाकियों को भी कर
से संजीवन कुमार के साथ गुरसिमरन सिंह
हैं भारतीय सेना के सरगर्म रूम में। और तस्वीरों में आप देखिए कि यहाँ पर जो पाकिस्तान के बंकर हो, आतंकियों के लॉन्च पैड हो, देखिए कैसे, और जो लॉन्चिंग पैड आतंकियों को उन्हें तबाह कर रहे हैं। तस्वीरों में आप देखा तस्वीरों में कि आपने बेहद ज्यादा जो है वो तबाही पीओके में की, लॉन्चिंग पैड को तबाह किया। कितना मुंहतोड़ जवाब आपने दिया?
देखिए, ये जो एरा है, टेक्नोलॉजी का एरा है, आप ये सब देख सकते हैं कि एक्सप्लॉयटेशन करके कमांड बंकर और सर्वेलेंस सेंटर बनाया है। वीडियो आपके सामने चल रही है कि जो उनकी पोस्टें हमने बर्बाद करी हैं उसकी कोई काउंटिंग करना मुश्किल है हमारे लिए। तो
See, as correctly brought out by you, on the intervening 9th of 6/7 when Op Sindoor unfolded, Pakistan unilaterally it abrogated, the ceasefire understanding that was there in place between both the armies, and indiscriminately it started firing, it started engaging the forward post that is there, and apart from that, it also engaged the civilians, the innocent civilians that are there in Poonch. And not only the civilians, we also got reports, we got a lot of phone calls from the civilians that most of the shells were also landing. I showed you that Gurudwara from the viewpoint. So a lot of shells also landed at the Gurudwara area. Poonch, as we understand, has been at a, cultural confluence, at a religious confluence of various cultures and religion that is there. In one line I showed you the Peer Baba that is there, and also in the just behind it I showed you Gurudwara that is there. Now the enemy clearly understands the kind of harmony that exists in Poonch, and it was by design, and it was purely by design and a premeditated response which came within 20 minutes that he started targeted as civilians. So which not only shows the kind of unprofessionalism, the lack of ethics that is there with the Pakistan army, and I think they have been true to themselves. This is what they can do best. They have got no might to fight with the Indian army. They know they are no match. So this is what they can do best.
Destruction of the terrorist camps and the terrorist installations in POK side, and especially targeted by the Poonch Brigade Army, and the int agencies confirmed it. The heavily loss of the terrorist camps there in POK site. What would you like to say?
Yes. Without naming or without disclosing much, as we call it, the long-range vectors. The heavy equipment that we have, which can target the depth. They were used to target the launch pads. A lot of launch pads that are there across were targeted, and at the forward tier, like our deployment is there. There are various battalions that are deployed. So the forward tier was also targeted in response to the ceasefire violation that was carried out.
And still the Operation Sindoor is on and not about.
Yes, absolutely. As told by the Indian Army, Operation Sindoor continues to be on, and we continue to remain alert and vigilant.
In future, any act from the terrorist side of Pakistan, either POK, it will be considered the on of Sindoor operation.
Yes, as made clear by the government of the day and also by Indian Army, that any act of terror would be taken as an act of war. and a suitable reply will be given. Maybe the measure they will in the measure that they understand best.
मुझसे कि टेक्नोलॉजी का एक्सप्लॉयटेशन और मेरे जवानों का जज्बा और जोश, उसकी वजह से हम वो मुद्दा हासिल कर पाए और ऑप सिंदूर सक्सेसफुली एग्जीक्यूट कर पाए. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, ऑप सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. हमारे लिए 24/7 पूरे साल, अगले साल, पिछले साल जो भी हमने हमारी ट्रेनिंग चली.
Poonch Brigade, under Poonch Brigade, the surveillance center upon this LOC area, which is one of the a powerful helping equipment, helping hand for the Indian Army along LOC. And during this conflict of Sindoor operation, start from 6th and 7th of May to 10th of May, it shows, the camera shows that Indian Army under your operation, operating here in this sector, destroyed many of the Pakistani army locations, and even we can judging that few launch pads also have been destroyed under your operation in full operation of Sindoor operation.
Yeah, correctly brought out by you that as I said that we were undergoing training 24/7. That is a part of job, and it is also said the motto which we follow that more we sweat in peace during training, less we bleed during war. So that was the motto. And when we were carrying out the selection of the targets which we had to destroy, so it was a very well thought of plan, and we wanted to engage only those posts of the enemy which are being utilized, which are being used by the enemy for the militants to as launch pads for the infiltration. And we were able to successfully destroy all those posts which were being used as the launch pads by the militants.